Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the PRIMERGY launch event. Today we are launching various new dual CPU PRIMERGY servers that will help you, save money, save energy, save costs, that will increase your business responsiveness and will optimize your business processes. Our product experts are here to provide you more details on the new PRIMERGY servers, and Intel, our strategic partner, is going to give us an overview on their just launch on their very new Intel Xeon processors. And now let me hand over to Uwe Rompel, the head of product management all-round server. Uwe, you are going to introduce us more in depth to the range of these great new products.
Yes, I will. Good morning, Sylvia.
Good morning.
Let me ask you a question first. What do you think? What creates the main headache for an IT professional today? What do you think?
I have no idea, really.
It's the dilemma of doing more with less.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, savvy users are more demanding, application response times have to decrease, and new applications require more performance than ever. At the same time, financial departments ask for lower cost of IT operations, lower cost of management and service on the one side, and lower energy bills on the other side. One answer to this is virtualization. Consolidating many servers into a few powerful ones is the first part of the equation. Reducing the energy consumption of those servers is the second part of this equation. Fujitsu, the leading provider of products and services for dynamic IT infrastructure, today launches the new series of dual CPU servers that match both parts of the equation in a perfect manner. Today we're launching the new PRIMERGY TX 300S6, the new rack server RX 300S6, a new rack server RX 200S6, and a new member of our blade server family, the new BX 922S2. Equipped with the latest Intel Xeon 5600 processor family, and accompanied by a maximum memory capacity of up to 192 gigabytes, these servers offer 3 times the performance of our 2007 PRIMERGY server family. A consolidation factor of 3 means 1/3 of space, 1/3 of management efforts, and 1/3 of maintenance cost. Moreover, through the usage of high energy efficient power supplies, low voltage DIMMs, SSD memories, and carefully selected modules on our own motherboards, we are able to reduce the power consumption of our servers by up to 30% compared to the 2007 product family. With these impressive figures in mind, it's easy to justify an investment in the new Fujitsu server generations and to calculate the return of your investments. Depending on the existing infrastructure, an ROI of less than 1 year is possible. And even better, today's product launches are not the end of the story. There is much more to come throughout 2010, so watch out for the launch of the new TX 200S6 and a whole bunch of new blade servers accompanying our BX 900 blade server family. So Sylvia, you see, doing more with less is not a contradiction. Our Fujitsu servers live up to the promise.
I see. Thank you very much, Uwe.
You're welcome.
A vital part of our server's performance is the processor technology. And who could explain better to you its advantages and its innovations than someone from Intel directly? Therefore, now let's see a video from Intel providing further details on their just launched Intel Xeon processor.
The Xeon 5600 is a compelling sequel to one of the most important technologies ever brought to market in the server space, the Xeon 5500, also known as Nehalem, that we launched about a year ago. The Xeon 5600 builds on that architecture and delivers up to 60% more performance on certain applications. And for customers looking to reduce their power consumption, you can get the same performance level as the prior generation and reduce power by up to 1/3. And that's going to allow customers to consolidate that older infrastructure, those old single-core servers consuming all that power and taking up space, You can get rid of 15 of those and replace them with a single server based on the Xeon 5600. But it's not just the power and performance. We're also bringing new capabilities to the Xeon 5600 to address the future needs of organizations as they move to cloud computing and the next generation virtualized data center. For instance, we put new security capabilities into the Xeon 5600. We have new instructions that will accelerate SSL transactions and disk encryption and allow customers to better secure their environments. The Xeon 5600 is really designed to address the current needs of organizations as well as set them up for the future. Congratulations to Fujitsu on the launch of their new PRIMERGY dual-socket servers based on the Intel Xeon 5600 series processor. Last year, Intel introduced the Xeon 5500 series processor, also known as the Halem, and it made a huge impact on the market. The Xeon 5600 series is a compelling sequel with up to 60% more performance on some applications and 30% lower power at the same performance level. The PRIMERGY servers take full advantage of the energy-efficient performance and advanced data center features of this new technology and will help customers get ready for the coming cloud computing advances and the next generation virtualized data center.